Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the world of action cameras, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Building upon the impressive legacy of its predecessor, the Osmo Action 4, this new model promises a host of cutting-edge features and enhancements designed to push the boundaries of action camera technology. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or a professional content creator, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is engineered to deliver top-notch performance. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro retains the rugged and robust design that has become a hallmark of DJI's action camera lineup. At first glance, it bears a resemblance to the Osmo Action 4, but don't be fooled. There's much more beneath the surface. The familiar single-camera setup and sturdy construction are now coupled with significant internal upgrades, making the Osmo Action 5 Pro a worthy successor. One of the standout features of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is its brand new camera sensor. Equipped with a cutting-edge 1.5-inch CMOS sensor, this camera represents a substantial leap forward from its predecessor. One common challenge with action cameras is their limited battery life. The Osmo Action 5 Pro addresses this issue with a significant improvement in battery performance. With extended battery life, you can capture more footage on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharges and allowing you to focus on your adventure without interruptions. A major upgrade in the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the inclusion of dual OLED touchscreens. These screens enhance the user experience by providing a highly responsive and intuitive touch-based interface. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a game changer in the world of action cameras, offering a host of advanced features and performance enhancements that set it apart from its competitors. With its revolutionary camera sensor, advanced subject tracking, extended battery life, horizon steady technology, dual OLED touchscreens, and superior low-light performance, this camera is designed to meet the demands of both adventure seekers and professional content creators. The Adventure Combo Box further enhances its versatility and usability, ensuring that you have everything you need to capture stunning footage in any environment. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, capturing high-intensity sports, or documenting your underwater adventures, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is equipped to deliver exceptional results. Stay tuned for the official release date and pricing information, and get ready to experience the next level of action camera technology with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. That's it for today's in-depth look at the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.